It's Anna. Welcome to my channel, SourPatchKeed, and today I want to show you how I achieved this pastel goth look as I update you guys as to what's been going on the past month. Let's get it. Let's go. To begin, I'm going to go in with my Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream to moisturize my face. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline New York Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser to prime my face. For my foundation, I'm going in with my Kiko Milano Unlimited Foundation in the colors Warm Beige and Neutral. For my brows, I'm going to go in with my LA Colors Brow Kit in the shade Medium. I am going to be using the color in the middle to start out my outer brows, and then I will take the lightest shade and do my inner corners so that I could get an ombre effect. I wanted a little bit more texture in my brows, so I went in with my Maybelline New York Total Temptations Brow Definer in the color Medium Brown. As you guys can see, I have been gone for about a month now, and I wanted to let you guys know that I was actually on medical leave. I was not doing too great, so I ended up being admitted to the hospital. So let me get to the next step and then I'll tell you a little bit more about that. To sculpt my brows, I'm going in with my LA Colors Conceal It in the color Deep. Okay, so like I mentioned, I have been in the hospital. I have not been doing too great. So honestly, now my health is getting a little bit better. So I was just having a really hard time getting back to my regular filming and posting schedule. And on top of it, right before I ended up in the hospital, I started my own little business, and I'm having such a hard time since I was bedridden for so long trying to get back on track, you guys. So I will start posting some stuff about my business here on my channel if you guys are interested in showing me a little bit of support. It has been really tough. So now to seal my brows, I'm going in with my Maybelline New York Brow Fast Sculpt in the color Clear. To prime my lids, I'm going in with my LA Colors Conceal Correct. I'm going in the Warrior 3 by Juvia's palette in the color Candice for the crease. Okay, so while I'm doing my crease real quickly, I started my business also back in October, right before I was admitted in the hospital, and honestly, it's actually going pretty well, but I am still having a hard time with getting back to my day-to-day life after being bedridden for so long. I will be leaving links to everything down below, and I will start posting videos that are business related here on my channel. So if that's something you are interested in, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you could be notified when that type of stuff is coming up. Now I'm going in my TA Son palette, and I'm going to be using this pink shade with purple undertones for my transition color. Okay, so I'm gonna cut my crease with the NYX White Pearl Cream Eyeshadow. I tried to use my white concealer and it was just not working, so This was a step up from that, and it actually ended up looking kind of dope, no lie. So being in the hospital during COVID has been such an experience. It was actually really scary seeing all the extra gear the staff had to wear, and then there's little old me with just a regular mask. Like, it was just so awful. And then on top of it, I went from emergency room to ICU, then to a regular room. And then it was like, and then I had to go through 2 different levels of ICU. Like, it was a mess. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into my Print Trap palette, and I'm gonna use the darkest shade of purple, and I'm gonna put that in my outer lid. So other than being in the hospital, I ended up going into a deep depression after I got discharged, because I was discharged before I was feeling any better. And I was having such a hard time being in front of the camera and, you know, pushing myself to try to get things done. And then, like I said, I also started my business. It became hard for me to promote my stuff. You know, it was just like so bad that I ended up just saying, you know what, it's time for me to go on a hiatus and do what I need to do. I kept my phone on D&D the whole time, and I just focused on me, and now I'm finally back and feeling better. So I'm excited for you guys to see what I have in store. You know, I have a lot of videos that I filmed before I was admitted that need to come out, so they're gonna be coming out as Vlogmas, honey. So don't mind the hair changes in between and all that extra stuff. Just know that a lot of the videos that are coming up will be a mix of what happened before October and what's going on now. I'm going back into my TA Sun palette to do my inner lid with that same pink shade that I did my transition color with. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm doing a pastel goth look. It's actually an inspiration from my business. So back in the day, I used to be the emo kid at school, so I wanted a business that resonated to me, that other people, other alternative goth emos and just people who love creepy and spooky stuff could relate to. So this is pretty much what my business is. It's sort of like a gift shop and also a subscription box business that takes a gothic twist or a spooky twist on things. If that's something you are interested in, please be sure to check my links down below. I actually have been linking it in the last videos I posted. If you guys like anything you see, or you would like something to be made, please be sure to also email the email address that I will leave for my business down below. Alright, so I finished off my eyes off camera, and I'm gonna remove the tape and move on to the face. To contour, I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance concealer sticks. Now I'm gonna go in with my Pacifica Desert Sunset Matte Blush and Bronzer. I'm actually only gonna be using the bronzer for this. I just wanted my contour to pop a little bit more. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in with my Ofra X Talia Nar highlighter in the shade Soho. I wanted to go in with a really bold ombre lip, so I'm gonna go in with my Beauty For Real lipstick in the shade Hotter Than Miami, and then I'm going to go in with this black lipstick that I've had forever that the name is erased off of. So there's that. To set this look, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Alright, so this is what my look ended up looking like. If you love the way it came out, please be sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post something dope. Peace.